The Frigidaire washer code E1 is an error message that indicates a problem with the washing machine's water supply system. The main cause of this error is a lack of water supply to the washer, which can be due to a variety of reasons such as a closed water supply valve, kinked or blocked water inlet hoses, or a faulty water inlet valve. To get rid of the error, first check the water supply valves to ensure they are fully open. Next, inspect the water inlet hoses for any kinks or blockages and straighten or replace them if necessary. If the problem persists, check the water inlet valve for any signs of damage or corrosion and replace it if necessary. It is also a good idea to check the washer's drain pump filter for any blockages, as a clogged filter can also cause the E1 error. To do this, locate the filter and remove any debris or blockages. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to call a professional to diagnose and repair the problem. Regular maintenance of the washer, such as checking and cleaning the water inlet filters and hoses, can help prevent the E1 error from occurring in the first place. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can resolve the Frigidaire washer code E1 and get your washing machine up and running again.